everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox controller to your Google Pixel phone. So let's just swipe down from the top, go to Settings, go to Connect Devices, then we can go to Pair New Device. Now your Xbox controller has to be turned on, so let's turn on by pressing the Xbox button, and this might connect to your Xbox. Then once it's turned on, hold down this button right here on the top. This will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. The light is blinking. Here's my Xbox controller. We can tap this now and I should be connected. I should be able to use my controller now immediately. So we can tap this. Let's go to pair. And if we go to the Xbox controller, we go up now. Okay, good, it's connected. And we can forget this device. If we want to bring this to our Xbox, if it's giving us any kind of issues connecting to a new device, just forget it from your phone and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.